My name is Daniel Zimfer. I'm the business unit leader of Hoosier Tank. Hoosier Tank builds steel aluminum air reservoirs to go on trucks and trailers braking systems. Steel Warehouse is not just a supplier, but also a partner. We go to Quinn and the team whenever we have a question. Metallurgists are on staff to help us in an instant when we have questions that are out of our realm or our comfortability. That's something we rely on heavily when our team doesn't have all the answers that we need right away. Steel Warehouse's capabilities and market expertise allow us to focus on the things that matter to our customers. That's why we're the #1 tank supplier in the country. With our short lead time to our customers, Steel Warehouse's just-in-time delivery is a key component of our supply chain. The just-in-time delivery that Steel Warehouse offers allows us to free up floor space, put more money into our machines, allowing for faster operations, more throughput, and helping our business as a whole. Where the coils used to sit, now sits a brand new line, allowing us to offer different types of tanks to our customers.
If it wasn't for Steel Warehouse, we wouldn't have the growth that we have. Started out with 2 production lines, and we are now up to 5. Steel Warehouse has been a critical part of making that a success for us.
I'm Shahir. I'm the purchasing manager. When you're working with Steel Warehouse, it's not just a supplier, it's a partnership. They're not just here to sell steel, they're here to help you out in all aspects of your business with all their resources. And I felt that quite a few times, including the time then we went on to reduce our material thickness. We're always looking at market insight, when's a good time to buy, when's a good time to hold off. A few years ago, there was Steel Warehouse provided in-house material experts who were able to help us reduce our commercial quality steel that we were using on our bodies, which helped us in reducing material thicknesses and drive meaningful cost savings.
The cleanliness of the welds and the welds being able to perform throughout the operations, resistance welding as well as MIG welding, and the pickled process certainly helps out with dealing with all those variables.
We're able to work with Quinn on a batch processing where it shortened our lead time even further. We were looking at 4-week lead time. Now we looked at almost like a 2-week lead time on especially pickled dry stuff, which is hard to find around. And working with them, knowing their processes and their phenomenal abilities they have in-house, we were able to reduce our lead time.
Steel Warehouse has on-staff metallurgists that can help customers understand what they're buying and the capabilities of what they're buying and the restraints, and can help with design and things like that.
Steel Warehouse is our in-house expert on materials, so whenever we have R&D efforts, we always rely on them. One of our first processes down the line is about rolling, and Steel Warehouse provides this amazing material that is consistent in the yield strength, so it helps us have a perfect roll part and don't have to have a lot of changeover in our processes.
The surface of our material is very important due to the welding that we do on it and the cleanliness of the welds. It minimizes the defects that we have in welding. The pickled material certainly helps, and along with the chemical prep that we do to it and the material that we purchase from Steel Warehouse makes for a superior product.
Not only the pickled dry material, but Steel Warehouse also provides us pickled oil, which is really good quality. We have multiple processes through the line where the pickled oil goes through our stamping process and later on to our cobot welding stations. So the consistency of the part needs to be amazing, and it is. And Steel Warehouse gives us really good quality material in that aspect. If the material is not pickled correctly, we would see blemishes in our paint process or the material would start rusting. So either we won't have the material just in time, or we would not have a great product at the end.
The relationship with Hoosier Tank, it goes beyond just being a supplier. It's a true partnership at the end of the day. Hoosier Tank relies on us. They know that we are committed to their success, whether it's myself or Matt Warner, the inside sales account manager, that we're just a phone call away. When they need something, we're gonna get it done.
Hoosier Tank is all about family and teamwork, and Steel Warehouse feels like a natural part of that team. The culture of continuous improvement and shooting for the moon, in a sense. They know how to help serve us the best with our set of experiences, and it's just a pleasure to work with them.